Guys, what's going on? This video is on my Oster blender. So I love this because you can make great smoothies with it, sauces, anything you need to blend basically. So I use this like in the morning to make my smoothie. I use like almond milk, some frozen fruit, banana, peanut butter. That's usually what I do. Love banana peanut butter smoothie. It has all these excellent settings. This was inexpensive, so you just turn it on or off. This is the off button. So you could put it on low, high, grate, blend, grind, liquefy, or ice crush, and then stir, puree, chop, whip, pulse. So the most popular thing for me to use this with is a smoothie. Of course, you have to keep the top on. It is dishwasher safe. It's made of glass, and then it has the measurements on here, so it measures up to 6 cups. Oster is a great brand. They've been around for a really long time. And another thing I like using this for is like frozen margaritas or frozen pina coladas. Excellent for that. Makes so many things, guys. Marinara sauce. I always like pulse the tomatoes in here. All the settings are excellent. It's very standard. Everything you need. And this is dishwasher safe as well, or of course you could hand wash it, but operate only while the cover is in place, of course. And that's what the top looks like. This piece comes out, so when I clean it, I usually take that piece out as well. And it also makes like excellent pesto sauce. Anything you can make, you could just like look up, recipes that go in the blender. So much you could do with it, guys. Definitely check this out. Have this in your kitchen.